Friends, now in this session of video we will discuss composition of function. So first we'll understand the meaning of composition. So composition means to say that combining two function. Now we will understand by an example of this. Suppose that we have three sets A, B and C. A is containing elements A, B and C. B is containing D, E and F, and C is containing P, Q and R. Clear? Okay, from A we get D, from B we get E, from C we get F. Similarly for G, from D we are getting P, E to Q and F to R. Clear? So we are getting P from to domain A. So we can get this P from A directly, and this is called GOF. Clear? So what we are doing, we are combining two function. Clear? So we can give it directly A to C. Clear? We'll clear our concept by GOF A to C. Clear? Now we will understand this with another example. Suppose that I have 1, 2, 3 and 4. Clear? The second set we have containing some elements 2, 4, 6 and 8. Clear? So clearly you will understand this is F, and F of X is equal to what? What element you get? Twice of this one. So you will write Fx is equal to 2x. Now we have another set C, and it is combined with G. Clear? So the G is, we have the elements Gx is equal to, so first we'll understand the elements 8, 12, 16 and 20. So we are getting 8 to choosing that domain. So what we get? 2x plus 4. Clear? Now from 1, this is input domain. 1 we are putting x is equal to 1, so we get 2, then 2 to 4, 3 to 6 and 4 to 8. In second one we are putting 2, so 2 to the 4 plus 8, so we get 2 to 8, 8, 4 to 12, 6 to 16, 8 to 20. Now the question is, can I get directly 2 to 12, 3 to 16? So the answer is yes. And how will we get this? By combining combination of functions. So that is GOF. Clear? Now let us understand how we'll find. So GOF X can be written as GFX. Clear? So what we have a function fx is equal to what? 2x. So we can write it as G and inside 2x, because in place of fx we will write 2x. Now again understand what we have given, gx. So in place of, we'll understand g of fx, gx is equal to 2x plus 4. So in place of x, what we have? This whole 2x plus 4. So we will write 2 in place of x. What we have? If there is x, so we'll write only x. If there is 2x, so we'll write 2x and then 4. Just look at that. So we get this 4x plus 4. So that is our GOF, means a function from A to C directly. Now put any value, you will get this. Suppose that I put up 1. So 4 into 1 plus 4, what we get? 8. So you will place 3. So in place of 4 into 3 plus 4. 4 3 is 12 plus 4 16. So 2 2 directly you get what? 8. 3 2 you directly get 6. So that is the composition of function. Clear? So we will understand one more example for this. We'll see. Just look at that. Suppose that I have an example A, B, C and D, and we have some elements P, Q, R and S again. Now in this case, P is with A with P, B with Q, C with R and D also R. Clear? This can happen? Yes. So which kind of function is this? You know, we have discussed already. So that is many one function. Clear? So this f is exist because to existence of any function, all the elements of set A must occupied, having their image. Now in this one, M, N, O and P we have. Clear? So M, it is a function G, P for M, Q for N and S for this O and P both. Clear? So first the question is that G is the function is exists G function. Just look at that. P, Q and S having an image in this ones, no for R. So what it means? It means this function does not exist, and also the composition of function G O F X is also not exist. Clear? Now we go for the definition of this function. Clear? So the definition is that let F is a set A to B and G is a function B to C. B2 function, then the composition of function F and G denoted by GOF is defined as the function GOF. Now the GOF is a combined function A to C given by G O F X is equal to G of Fx. A must be a function A to B, G is another function from B to C, two functions, then the composition of function G denoted by GOF and defined as the function GOF A to C is given by GOF, and how will write G here Fx, where all x belongs to set A. Clear? So it is clear. Now one more important thing is that to define GOF, you can write this GOF exists if range of function first must be subset of domain of G. Clear? So we will understand this in this case. First we'll understand the meaning of this. This is domain of A. What is the F? Domain of F. The domain of F is set A. The domain of function is set A. Clear? And the codomain is this. B is equal to codomain. Clear? So in this case, because all elements of set B is occupied, so this is also range of F. Clear? A, B and C is the element of set A. D, E and F is the element of set B. So this is the range of function F and this is the domain. codomain. Clear? But in this case all the elements are occupied, so it is also called range. Clear? So we have already discussed that range is a subset of codomain. Clear? Now this is the range for function g. Clear? And what is the domain for g? D, E and F is the domain for g. And what is range? P, Q and R is the range. Now come back to our definition again. What is the definition? Existence of GOF. GOF exists if range of F G, D, E, F for example is a subset of domain of G. So it means if there is some element remaining, it doesn't matter, but all elements of this set A, the range of set A must occupied. Clear? I hope it is clear to you. And this is not exist. Why? Because the range, the domain of G, so this is not occupied. This G, S is not a range of F. Clear? F, this S. So what we have a range? P, Q and R. P, Q and R is the range of F. Clear? And domain P, Q, R, S. It is a domain. So what we have? It is a subset of domain. So in this case we have left S. If F is there, so it can be, we can say it is a composition of function. Clear? Now we will solve a given question with an example. If F is real number to real number, so it is domain, and it is also, this is domain for F and it is range. G, F real number to real number. Okay, so clear what? The domain, the range of F. What is the range of F? Real number. And what is the domain of G? It is also real number. So real number is itself a subset of a real number. Clear? R given fx is equal to, we have given, so we can write given fx is equal to x square plus 5, and g also given, we have gx is equal to 3x. So what we have to find? Then find GOF and FOG. So first we'll find GOF and we can write it x. So as I already stated that GOF as written as GFX. Clear? G. Now what is the value of fx? Fx is this x square plus 5. Clear? Now G. What is the value of Gx? Gx is equal to 3x. So we can write this as 3 and x square plus 5. Clear? So in this case what we get? 3x square plus 15. So this is your GOFX. Clear? GOFX means from A to C. GOFX means A to C. Now we have another function given, FOG. The second we have given FOGX. So we write it as FGX. F. And what is GX we have given? 3x. Clear? So we can write it as F, and instead of 3x we can write it as F. X is what? If x, there is x square plus 5. So 3x whole square plus 5. So what we get? 9x square plus 5. So this is your GOF and FOG. Clear? We will come with some more examples in my next video.